Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In the last class we have solved question number 11. So now let us continue with what question number 12 now. So now see what he has given. By using elementary transformations, find the inverse of the matrix A is equal to 2 1 1 1 dear students. Given matrix you write A is equal to, in the last class we have discussed this only, elementary transformation, that is 2 1. This is 2 1 1 1 dear students. Matrix A you wrote, and I had told you in the last class shortcut method I had told you. So how you remember or I don't know. So I will write you once again. So A is equal to, so how to write, you know that, A11 A12, this is A21 A22. So this element you have to make it as 1 first, and this element you have to make it as 0. Next you have to make this as 1, and this element you have to make it as 0 dear students. 1 0 0 1. I mean 1 0 1 0. Got it? So like this you have to move the according to the shortcut by using elementary transformation. So before solving by using elementary transformation, one more shortcut I had told you. How to find A inverse in determinant you know already. So A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. So if you don't know how to find determinant A, I will say for order 2 into 2, you have to find like this. 2 1 jar, 2 you will write, minus you write, 1 into 1, 1. 2 minus 1 is how much? 1. So how to find the adjoint of A? Adjoint of A, 2 1 is there, no, you interchange them. Interchanging means it will become 1 2. Clear? So this 1 1 1 will become what? Here 1 is there, here 1 is there. You change the sign of them. Sign means minus 1, it will become, plus will become minus 1 dear students. 1 by 1 is how much? 1. 1 into anything is what? Same or not? 1 minus 1, 2 dear students. So you got how much A inverse? A inverse I will write. Actually this is not required in board exam to write. So this shortcut and A inverse will get this only before using elementary transformation. We will be knowing the answer I am saying dear students. So please remember like this also you can find the A inverse. But in exam you have to use elementary transformation only. Got it? You have to use what? Elementary transformation. Don't use this method. He has told by using elementary transformation. For your understanding purpose I told, before using elementary transformation you will be knowing the answer I am saying dear students. So now see how to find A inverse by using elementary transformation. Shortcut I had already told. By using elementary, this is not required in box what I had written now. No need of writing. By using elementary row operation. So we have how to write A is equal to I into A. By using elementary row operation means A is equal to IA you have to write. A is what dear students? That is 2 1 1 1. I is what? 1 0 0 1 into A. Clear? This is your elementary row operation dear students. So now see here 1 0 0 1 is there, no, same thing you have to bring here. Here I have to bring 1, here I have to make this as 0, and here I have to make it as 1, and here I have to make it as 0. According to shortcut we have to move. First I have to check this one whether it is 1 or not. Here it is not 1. Here it is 2 dear students. How to bring a 1 there? Now see, by using the row operation I can bring it. This is 2 is where? In row 1 or not? Row 1 you are changing, you write R1 here. R1 is changing. Before arrow mark if you write this, R1 is changing, we can say R1 minus R2 we can do dear students. R1 minus R2 means what you will get? See dear students. R1 minus R2 means what? See, R1 is 2, R2 is how much? 1. 2 minus 1 is what? 1 or not, dear students? I have to bring here what? 1 only. So that's why we are applying R1 minus R2. So R1 minus R2 means 2 minus 1, 1. R1 is how much here? 1. R2 is how much? 1. 1 minus 1 because R1 is 1 minus R2 is how much? 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, dear students. So next you see here what you will get. So next is R2 is not changing, no? R2 is not changing means you have to write here. Many of you will not write this A. Don't forget to write here A. So R2 is not changing means you write 1, 1, 0, 1. So now see, R1 minus R2. R1 is how much? 1 minus 0. R2 is 0 or not? 1 minus 0 is 1. R1 is how much? 0. 0 minus 1. R2 is 1 or not? 0 minus 1 is how much? Minus 1, dear students. I got here 1. So next I have to make this as 0 or not? See arrow mark where it is going. First I got this as 1. I have to make this as what? 0. Which one? This one you have to make as 0 or not? This one. So which row it is up? R2 or not? R2 you want to make a 0 means you can write like this. R2 you are changing. R2 you are changing. This I have to make 0. R2 is how much? 1. R1 is how much? 1. 1 minus 1, 0 I can get. So that's why I can write it as R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1. And I had already told you, dear students, once if you apply the operation, this is applied for whole R2, row 2 whole. So even R1 is also applied for R1 whole. All the elements it is applied. So now see here. R1 is not changing. You are changing what? R2. R1 is not changing means you write R1 as it is. R1 is what? 1, 0. 1, 0 I will write. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 I will write. So now we will apply the operation. R2 is how much? 1. R1 is how much? 1. 1 minus 1, 0, dear students. Next you see. R2 is how much? 1. R2 is 1. R1 is how much? 0. 1 minus 0 is how much? 1 minus 0 is 1, dear students. See here once again I will say R2 is 1. 1 you write if you want. Minus R1 is how much? R2 minus R1 you have written. No, R2 is 1. R1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is how much? 1 only will get. Clear? So next you see R2 is how much? R2 is 0 minus R1 is how much? R2 minus R1 you have written. R2 is 0, R1 is how much? 1. 0 minus 1, minus 1, dear students. Next you see R2 is how much? R2 is 1, minus you write. R2 minus R1 you are writing. R2 is 1. I wrote minus sign is the minus written. R1 is how much? Minus 1. 1 minus into minus plus 1. 1 plus 1 is how much? 2, dear students. We'll write here 2. Clear everyone? So I will erase this one. I hope it is clear. So now dear students observe. 1 0 0 1 I have to get here. See 1 0 0 1. It is came or not here? Which I wanted that only. So then this is your what? A inverse. Therefore, if I got that answer means finished. So 1 0 0 1 आ गया ना हो गया. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 0 0 1 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ so now this is nothing but what your a inverse writing a inverse you see dear students a raised to minus 1 don't write a dash so up to here a you write here don't write a so a inverse is 1 minus 1 minus 1 2 this is your answer dear students you compare with this 1 minus 1 minus 1 2 yes or no direct method I have told. This is not required to write in exam, dear students. For your understanding purpose, I had written. So actually, this is not required. Got it? Only this much you have to write. Whatever I have written now on the board, what you are observing now, this is our answer, dear students. I hope it is clear. So you are understanding my video. If you are liking the video, please like and subscribe. And we'll meet you in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. थैंक यू.